Hello, today I'll be telling you my prediction for the Premier League season 20 to 21 game week 5. So the first game is Everton versus Liverpool, and my prediction is 2-1 because I think Everton have a really good attack with Calvert-Lewin, Richarlison and Rodriguez playing together, and I think generally Liverpool are struggling in the defense after their loss to Aston Villa, which was 7-2. The second game is Chelsea versus Southampton, and my prediction is 3-1 to Chelsea. This is because I think Chelsea's attack would be very dangerous in this game, and I think that will make all the difference in the game against Southampton. The third game is Man City versus Arsenal, and my prediction is 2-1 to Arsenal. This is because Arsenal new signing Thomas Partey. I think he'll be starting against Man City, and I think he'll be able to create a lot of goal scoring opportunities for Arsenal's attack, and I think that will make a very huge difference to the game. And Man City's defense have been struggling. Their centre backs, their left back and right back. Even though they signed Ruben Diaz, the problems just keep continuing for them. So I think that Arsenal will go in the game with the upper hand. So that's why I think Arsenal will win. In the fourth game is Newcastle versus Man United. My prediction is 2-2 because I think Newcastle's attack is quite good and Man U's defense is very poor because Lindelof and Maguire have been playing horrible the last few games, and I don't think so that I'm going to see any change from what they've already done in this game. So I predict that it's going to be another disaster for Man United with another draw 2-2. The next game is Sheffield United versus Fulham. My prediction is 1-1 because both teams are struggling. They both are bottom of the table. Sheffield United played very well in the first season, but now they're struggling to find that form again. And Fulham have not signed many players, so they're not able to catch up with the league and not play at the standards they should be. So that the signings makes a difference over there. So I think it'll be a 1-1 draw. The next game is Crystal Palace versus Brighton, and my prediction is 2-1 to Crystal Palace because of Zaha. I think Zaha will be the main and key man in this match because I think he is very good at creating and finishing, and that will make all the difference in the game. The next game is Tottenham versus West Ham, and my prediction is 2-0 to Tottenham because I think Son and Kane have been on fire this season. They've been too good to stop and the best duo till now, and I think that will continue from this game. So that's why I think Tottenham will win. The next game is Leicester City versus Aston Villa, and my prediction is 3-1 to Aston Villa because I think Leicester have an awesome attack, but the defense is still struggling to find their form, and they don't have too much support in the defense. Another reason why I think Aston Villa will win is because of the attack. The new signing that Aston Villa have made, which is Oli Watkins, has adapted very well to his new surroundings, and I think he'll continue to do that in this game too. And I think he'll link up well with Jack Grealish, and I think they'll be the key people in this victory. The next game is West Brom versus Burnley, and my prediction is 1-1 because I think both teams are struggling to keep up with other teams, and they both are having defensive problems. Like West Brom have a good attack. Like when they were leading 3-0 against Chelsea, it was quite good performance, but then their defense was very poor, so they conceded 3 goals in the second half, which caused Chelsea to draw with them. And Burnley just don't have the right players in the team, so that's the main reason. The last match, which is Leeds versus Wolves, my prediction is 3-all, because I think both, according to Leeds form, there have been a lot of goals in the games they play, and I think that will continue. Both teams have very good attack, and like Rodrigo for Leeds and Adam Traore and Fabio Silva for Wolves, and I think both also not very good in defense. I think it's going to be a thrilling game as 3. The one person I think who will score this game week is Ollie Watkins, because of the way he's adapting to new surroundings, and his form is also quite good. Thank you.